Okay, I'm going to do a quick look at Magill on Literature Plus. Just going to do a basic search. This can be accessed through the EBESCO databases, and it has a lot of great information on literature, authors, with a lot of different breakdowns for your, to limit your searches. Whether you're looking for full text, authors, lifetimes, gender, title of the work, literary locale, the record types you're looking for, publication dates, author's national identity, whether there's images available, author's cultural identities, literary characters, genres, whether it includes a bibliography. So just to sort of give a brief example, I'm going to do a search I did recently and look for, I know that I was asked a question and I'd forgotten the title. There was, Joseph Heller did a sequel to Catch-22 that had the character Yossarian, and I couldn't remember the name, and somebody had asked me about it, and this is how I found it. So first I went to the first search tag, or field, and looked up Joseph Heller as an author, and then I knew that Yossarian was in Catch-22, and I'd already looked this up. This is why it's already populating some of these answers. So I'll do a title Catch-22, but I don't know how to spell Yossarian, so I need to find out how to do that. So I'm going to search for Catch-22. I'll go in here and find the book, and we'll just go down here and we'll take a look. There's all this sort of information about the book, about who the author is, locales, literary subgenres, whether the ability to print, email, save this stuff, get citations. But then at the bottom it also talks about the work, where it was published, when it was published, about the author, and right here it has characters discussed. And so Yossarian, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy his name, and actually I'm going to go back up to my search, and I'm going to change, and I'm going to add the term Yossarian. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say not Catch-22 now, because I don't want Catch-22. I want any book that has to do with Yossarian by Joseph Heller that isn't Catch-22. And then I can go down here and I can make the Yossarian search part of my literary characters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit search, see what we find. We found Closing Time, and that's the title of the book that I was looking for. Again, you can just find out information about Closing Time, the author, the locales. There's a brief abstract. Go down to the bottom. It'll give you just a brief overview of the book, sources for further study, some cross-references. So say if you wanted to find out more about Joseph Heller, you can click right there. And this is just Magill's information on Heller himself. This one actually has a photo, principal works, biographies, an overview of analysis, and then goes all the way down. You can get discussion topics, bibliography information, more cross-references to works. And anyway, that's how I did my basic search to find the answer in that question using Magill.